Hello and welcome to Micro Products. My name is Lisa, Styles by Lisa, and I am a natural hair expert and founder of Micro Products. And today I'm going to be doing a wash and go style on my client Rosalind, and I'm going to share with you how I'm using our Micro Products to style her hair. So I started out her service with our Clean Slate shampoo and our Rehydrate Intense Moisture Conditioner. I always recommend that you sit under a dryer with your deep conditioners for the best results. Sitting under a dryer helps the treatment to absorb better into the hair shaft, which is very beneficial to the health of the hair. It helps to improve the porosity of the hair, which is extremely important when trying to achieve the best curl definition. After shampooing and conditioning, I always follow with our Moist Restore Leave-In Conditioner, which is not just a leave-in conditioner, but can also be used to refresh your hair daily if needed, with or without water. It's an excellent product. And when I get ready to apply the products, I'm always starting in the nape area, and I am taking out about a 2-inch section at a time and then applying about a quarter size of our curl foaming mousse and applying it to the hair using my fingers. And then I am applying about a quarter size of the curl sauce and putting it on top of in the same section, mixing them together and applying with my fingers. And I'm going through her whole head and basically keeping the hair wet with water, sectioning it, and then applying the mousse and then the gel. Now, this method is just a guide to show how the products work together, but you can definitely use your own techniques to apply the products. There's really no wrong way. These products blend well together, even though they each serve a different purpose. And this process can also be used with the curl sauce. Instead, both work well. So you can use the curl foaming mousse and the curl sauce, or you can use the curl foaming mousse and the extra curls. Using the curl sauce just gives it just a little bit of a lighter hold, and that's the only difference. So I'm going to continue this process throughout her hair, and she will sit under a dryer for about 45 minutes, and then I am going to diffuse it a little just to break up her curls, and she will be out the door. Most of the time our clients will not want me to pull the curls out as much because they want the curls to last as long, but this is basically the technique on how I do wash and goes in the salon using our products. And at night I recommend using scrunchies, about 3 to 4 scrunchies, putting your hair into sections so that your hair is not flattened while you sleep, and then you can apply a silk or satin bonnet or pillowcase to protect your hair. As a natural hairstylist, I get to work with many people in many different textures. And as I meet new clients who come to me for help and guidance, their number one concern usually is how to manage maintaining moisture in their hair. And it all goes back to the products that you're using. It is very important to use good quality products, especially your shampoo and your conditioner. Those are the products that directly affect the inner structure of the hair. And most of the time, that is where people spend the least amount of money. So if you're experiencing hair breakage or hair loss or excessive dryness, make sure that your products are not the reason. Each time I do a video, I'm going to try to give you some tips on how you can make your hair better, how you can improve your natural hair experience. If you have any questions, please leave your questions below and I will reach back out to you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Micro Products. And please subscribe to see more videos and get more information from me. And if you have any questions or you would like to find out more about our products, visit our website, microproducts.com. Thank you.